kulay niya, guys. This is super lava color. Hindi nyo kita yung bilog kasi lapis siya. Ang pangit. Here. Can you trace it? Trace. Mamaya. Later. Kaya kasi dun naglalanda. Yung nilalandi niya color ko. Hindi color, pagkain. Pagkain ko. Tayan! Ha? Toyo? Toyo. Tala! Kain ka! I know that. I know that spoon. We're going to make a squishy. Huh? Squishy? Nabalik na natin. Hindi niya ito mapupunit kasi earth to. Yung Mars punit niya. Do you know what's its Pluto? That's a planet. I know. The smallest planet in the world. Pluto. Where is Pluto? That's Mars. Pluto. Siya lang yung now. Go away from this. Go away. I did drawing to guys. Publish kasi. What's my drawing? I don't know. Your drawing is Earth. Your drawing is Jupiter! I don't know what is Jupiter. That's a planet, but I don't know what
Tristan, what's your favorite hobby?
Hindi naman ako katulong yung Jupiter. Planet kasi yun. Hindi mo kasi alam yun. Ang tawag dito. Ang tawag dito. Ang tawag dito. Ang tawag dito. Dito. Ito yung Jupiter. Ito yung Jupiter. Mars yan eh.